We're back. Facebook shares higher. Nomura upgrading the stock to buy from neutral. They say concerns over engagement trends have eased. They also point to faster than expected transition for Facebook stories. That's among a number of issues they talk about. Positive revisions throughout the year. Regulation likely makes the company stronger. And the bottom line is it's just too cheap. What do we think?
I own it. I've been buying it all year. I mean, it's up 31% year to date, probably higher now because of that. Look, when the news came out last year, that was the time to actually look at Facebook and say, why do you want to own this? It's got two really great properties. It's got WhatsApp and Instagram, and that's kind of really why we own this stock, because that has not been monetized to the full level. All the news has been baked in terms of regulation. I think Facebook's doing a great job in terms of addressing it. Maybe not perfect, but they're working towards it. They understand the risks. And I think in a cash flow machine, Kevin, for companies that are throwing off a lot of cash, this is one right there. And they're the dominant leader in this.
I own it. I've owned it right through the tough days. The only reason that I stay with this is I watch how much digital spend from my own portfolio of small caps that stay on this platform. It's the only one where you can geo-lock price into a community. We use it like crazy in all these Shark Tank companies. Our spend is up 30% over 24 months ago into this calendar year. And until I see something else that can do that, I stay long this name. And plus the benefit of Instagram and WhatsApp and all that stuff. But I'm talking about the core platform. Facebook as a core platform is a must-have for a small domestic business. You got to have it.
Jan, you own it?
We do. We actually trimmed the stock early 2018. We were very overweight in Facebook at the time. And I think that for me, I hear what both of you are saying. I think margins are going to continue to improve. I think it generates a lot of cash. For me, the headline risk, I think there's still a little bit more out there, again, given Congress and the situation we're in from a change in leadership there. And so for us, adding to the position, despite the attractive valuation, is not where we want to be right now.
Kevin said it, duopoly, really. I mean, Facebook, Google, Alphabet, right, in terms of advertising.
Well,
no matter how many problems they have, if a company looks at where they're going to, what platform they're going to put on.
Margins are going to improve. If you remember, about 18 months ago, they said we're going to spend a lot of money, and margins came down. The stock sold off. That is the upside. Okay.